What's up, y'all? I am Doll by Des, and today I'm giving you this look. It's a colorful smoky eye, and I really did enjoy doing this look. So if you like it, stay tuned so you can see how I created it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's jump straight into this look. Thanks for tuning in. To start off with, I'm going to prime my eyebrows using Milk of Magnesia. It comes out of the Dollar Tree, or you can get it at Family Dollars, anything like that. I just bought this bottle because I thought it was cute, so I put my Milk of Magnesia in this bottle, and I'm just going to put it through my eyebrows. And I have oily skin, so the Milk of Magnesia keeps me from being oily. And usually throughout the day, my forehead and my eyebrows is what gets the oiliest. So I'm just going to put it in those areas. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using this Wet n Wild pencil.
30 hertz straight up.
I don't know what it is about me. I just don't like to fill in the front of my eyebrow with that pencil. I just don't want it to look too dark, so I always take like a brush like this to fill in the front. So I don't know if you guys noticed, I didn't pick up any extra product or anything. I'm just taking the brown eyeliner from the back of my eyebrow and pulling it to the front so the front won't be so dark. And this is the concealer I'm using. I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, but I like to put all my concealer all in the middle of my eyebrows and everything across my nose right here in this area, because when I don't do that, it seems like I have a unibrow, and that's not cute, sis. So that's why I put the concealer right here too. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the top of my eyebrow. I'm going to be using the same brand, just a different color. It's just a darker color. Espresso is what I'm using now. We're going to go ahead and move on to eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the black out of my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and all my other colors are going to come out of Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using this gray out of this palette. So to start off with, I'm going to be putting black in my cut crease. So now that my black is on, I'm going to take this gray out of this palette from Nicka K Cosmetics, and I'm going to put that on top of where my black is. So I'm just going to build my black back up. Okay, so now that my transition colors are finished, I'm going to take medium beige and LA Girls Pro Concealer to cut my crease. Okay, so while I was away, I went ahead and primed my face. So I primed my face and I also color corrected. So if you see a darker concealer, it's my espresso concealer that I use. I use that instead of my orange corrector to cover up my dark spots. And now we're going to get into my colors on my eyes, and then we'll do our foundation. So all of my colors that I'm putting in my crease is coming out of this palette, my Bright Lights palette. And this is how it looks. I did a review on this palette on my channel, so if you're interested in seeing all of these swatches, check it out on my YouTube. Now I'm going to add a yellow in the inner corner of my cut crease.
30 hertz.
This part of the tutorial is kind of self-explanatory. I'm just adding those colors in my cut crease. I used yellow, blue, green, and then purple, and then I just blended the colors together. So I didn't talk very much through this part because, again, I was just putting the colors in my cut crease. My colorful colors are finished. I'm going back on the outer corner of my eyeshadow to add black and just give it that smoky look. I forgot to mention the name of this liner. I got this from Dollar General and it's the LA Colors liquid liner. my black opal foundation in the color Carab, I think is how you pronounce it. But I can't find it, so I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix Shades by Gal foundation stick in the color Cocoa with my Maybelline Dewy foundation in the number 360, because the Cocoa is a little dark, but it matches my body. It's too dark for my face, but the Maybelline matches my face, but it's too light for my body, so I'm gonna mix the two. And then I'm going to take some of my 360 and I'm going to blend those two colors together. Okay, so I'm going to put espresso on the bottom and then I'm going to highlight with fawn on the top. And I'm going to blend this out. I'm going to go ahead and set my face using Mud's Suede setting powder. And while that is on my face, I'm going to go ahead and contour too. This is the Duo Setting, what is it called? Duo Contour Kit? Duo Contour Kit from Nicka K. And I'm going to also use Shades by Gal blush. And now I'm going to put on my actual highlighter. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And then I'm going to put some on my nose. Hey y'all, so I didn't get to finish this video because right before I finished doing my makeup, my client pulled up, so I did the rest of my makeup off camera. I highlighted my nose and my lipstick, and then I sprayed my face. I believe I put my eyeliner on while I was on camera. So I have to end this video like this. I really hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys add me on Instagram, dog_by_des. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments whether you would prefer to see me do a voiceover or if you like when I talk through my videos. Let me know because I'm interested in your opinions. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, bye y'all.